Welcome back. We have solved our first layer, and now we have to solve the middle layer. At this point, we turn the cube upside down or right side up so that yellow is on the bottom. And for the rest of the time you're solving the cube, you really want to keep yellow on the bottom. All the pieces left to be arranged or oriented are on the top or in the middle. So how do you do this? Well, Rubix.com they give two algorithms because there are two cases. Let's try to place a piece in the middle. For example, this piece is blue and orange, and so it'll go between the blue and orange pieces. It'll go right here. Now the Rubix.com pictures, which I have not replicated here, but the idea is if you match the face color of this piece with the center, so it's not matching now, but now it is. If you have this configuration, there are two possibilities that you encounter. One, you want to move the piece to the left or to the right. And depending on which one you want to do, you use one of these two algorithms. In our case, we want to move it to the left. We want this piece, blue-orange, to go to this location, blue-orange. So we would use the second algorithm. And it's important to hold the cube right. Notice how in the picture, the front of the cube is the color corresponding to the face of this little piece. So we would hold it like this, and we would do a UI, it's counterclockwise, LI, counterclockwise, U, is clockwise, L, clockwise, U, F is clockwise, U, counterclockwise, and then F, counterclockwise. And voila! There you go. That's one piece down, 3 to go. Let's find another piece. Where does this piece go? It's green and orange. So let's turn it. We have a match. Now, do we want this piece to go to the left or to the right? Well, it's green and orange, so we want it to go to the right between the orange and green centers. So that would be this algorithm up here. Let's see if I can fit everything in. So that will be U, R, U inverse, R inverse, U inverse. Oh, and then there's some more. I almost forgot. And then F inverse, U, F. And now the piece is correctly positioned. 2 down, 2 to go. What happens in a case like this, where this is, I have some glare here, where the red-green piece, what if you want the red-green piece, but it's already stuck in the middle layer? That's okay. You can do either of these two algorithms, and what it will do is it'll, actually, not either. The idea, rather, is take some piece you don't care about, this white-green, and put it in that spot. That will knock that piece out. So, for example, we could use the algorithm we just used to place this irrelevant piece into this position, and that will remove it and then put it into play. So this is U, R, U inverse, R inverse, U inverse, F inverse, U, and F. And we put the irrelevant piece in there. The piece that we just moved out is actually back here. And so if we wanted to, we can place that piece correctly now. Does it go to the left or to the right? Yeah, it goes to the left. So this piece goes to the left. So we would need to use the second algorithm. Again, holding the cube correctly so that the two colors that are matching are right in front of you. We have U inverse, L inverse, U, L, U, and then we have F, U inverse, F inverse. and the piece has been correctly positioned. One more. This red-blue piece, we're going to need to place that. So I've found where it matches. Does the red-blue piece need to go to the left or the right? It's the left. So the red-blue piece needs to go between the red and blue centers. So I use this algorithm again. So it's U inverse, L inverse, U, L, U, oops, wrong direction, F, U inverse, F inverse. And now we have solved the first two layers of the cube.